Kunasatatu, how are you? Mary Allen here with the Hiberno English word of the day. And I thought I would actually come out into nature today for doing this, though it is in the dictionary. The word today is a B word, but it's one that's very dear to my heart, and it is bogger. Bogger, a word I've been called many times, even by my own brother. It means a rural dweller, a person of the country. Sure, only a bogger. Sure, what would you know? You're a bogger. Sure, look, you're just culchies. We have another word that's similar, culchie in Ireland, and a millennia ago we had another word that was similar also to describe the Gaels, the Irish, and that was pagan. Because do you know what pagan means? It actually means a person who dwells in the country, a country dweller. So whether you call me a pagan or a culchie or a bogger, they're all words that I could say are for living in the countryside, a country dweller. Sure, what would you pagans know? Oh, you're only a bogger. Go on, you old bogger. Bogger is the Hiberno English word today. Grammar.